Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Inverness, local and long-distance movers near me. When you hire us for a long-distance move, we give you the basic services you need. Packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of professional movers will help you get to your new location faster and more efficiently. We provide the right services and the best options for your long-distance move. With us, you can move 100 miles, 1,000, or even 2,000 miles away smoothly without stress. You may not think to hire an Illinois moving company for a local move. However, the time you'll save and the energy you can save often make it worth the cost. Even though you're only going a few miles down the road, you still have to pack up everything and move it. This is a big job and requires a lot of heavy lifting. Choosing 3 Movers to help you will eliminate the heavy lifting. Whether you're moving furniture, boxes, or other items, we will do the hard work for you. Let us show you how a professional moving company can get you settled in faster. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Inverness moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.